If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. What's going on, people? So I want to give a quick heads up about this video, as this is going to be a new style I'm doing, and then we'll go from there. So pretty much as far as the way it's going to work is I'm going to go from day by day, starting with MSC first. I'm going to go from breakfast, lunch to dinner, and then I'll switch over to Royal Caribbean, the same thing, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm not going to give any opinions out there. I'm literally just going to show a comparison of what I had on each different ship. The only thing I will say is I was on Royal Caribbean for a day longer. It was a 4-night versus a 3-night. So that one will actually have more food. But as far as the actual quality and stuff like that, I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to let you all just talk about it in the comments if you want to. And then the last thing I will show is, after I show the last little bit of food I had at Royal Caribbean, I'm going to actually do a comparison of the buffet line itself. So I'm going to walk through the buffet line on each of the ships and just have MSC first and then Royal Caribbean second. So I hope you all enjoy it. Like I said, talk it out in the comments if you want to, whichever one you all think it looks better. Just enjoy the video. I'll see you soon. Peace out. And now it's time to walk through the buffets, of course starting with MSC and then Royal Caribbean. Enjoy. So which ones did you all think was more appetizing and which one is more of your style? Leave a comment below, and always like usual, I hope you enjoy these videos and I'll see you soon. It's your boy Mr. Bucketlist. Peace out. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.